like a boss, and I be thinking Jesus. Fakers trying to get up in my circle. I don't really need them. We was saying we up next forever. Now we really mean it. We about that action, acting bad shit when you see us.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name's Tanisha. If you're new here, welcome. Today's video is going to be another hair video. I believe I'm going to start doing a majority of hair videos on my channel because that's what you like. My hair videos, whether it's a wig install or a crochet install, they tend to get the most views. So I'm going to give y'all what y'all want. So today's video is going to be an install of the butterfly locks. Actually going to be a crochet version. I absolutely love the butterfly locks, but to be honest, I ain't got time to be sitting here doing my hair for hours. So I actually looked on Amazon to see if there was a crochet version of this hair. And those of you know, I do have a hair salon, so one of my clients put me onto this, so shout out to you. Just gonna hop right in and get started. First, I'm going to start with the specs of the hair. I did get it from Amazon. I will link the hair link down below in the description box. This is what the hair looks like when it comes in. It says new locks, butterfly locks, hair extensions, 12-inch 1B, and it is 6 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is by the hair company Flotig Hair. I guess that's how you pronounce it. Flotig Hair. And this comes with this little card. It also comes with a crochet needle, crochet hook, and it also comes with this. I'm not really sure what this is, but I believe this is one of the tools you use if you were doing lock extensions or if you were adding this to your real locks. So it does come with these two, so that's a great little buy. Now I want to say the hair was $56, I do believe. If I'm not correct, I will leave that also down below in the description box. So like I said, it comes with 6 packs. And this is what the hair looks like. I think it looks pretty nice. Let's see if I can get it to focus. It looks pretty good. Basically, it's going to save me a lot of time so that I don't have to wrap my hair individually and do it. So this is the hair, and it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you get 12 pieces in each pack, and there are 6 packs. I'm going to show you my braid pattern. This is typically how I do all my crochet installs. So I have 8 braids across the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then on the back, I just have it going around in a beehive. Please do not go for my braids because I know they look crazy. That's the best I can do, being that I am doing my hair myself. So I'm just going to get right into this install. So the loops on the crochet is actually kind of small. I learned this from another YouTuber. Can't remember her name, but I will tag her channel down below as well. What she did was she took a pair of regular scissors and she put it in the inside of the hole. And then she opened the scissors up. And by doing that, it made the hole bigger. So that's a little tip if you ever get crochet that is too small. The holes are too small and you want to still install them. So see, it drastically made the hole bigger. So what I'm going to do is open up the crochet hook. And I'm going to slide it underneath my braid. I'm going to grab around the loop, close the latch, pull through. And because the crochet is really big, you don't want to pull it all the way through your braid so that it doesn't hurt. So once I've done that, I'm going to grab the tail end and pull it through. And just like that, you have a butterfly lock. It was a little bit hard to pull through, so please make sure that you're opening the holes to make it easier to go through. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go ahead and install the rest of the locks. So right now I'm going to continue to do the rest of my hair. It is currently 3:25. So we're just going to see how long it takes. Should take me about 30 or 45 minutes. So this is what one pack looks like. I'm hoping that 6 packs will be enough because it looks like I have a big head. But I will come back after I install the second pack and let you see the progress on this update. I actually found another trick that I think is very useful. If you look at the top of the loops, they are kind of small. But I don't know if you can see, but if you take it and you pull it down, the hole opens up. So if you just pull the hair down, the hole opens up. That way you don't have to keep grabbing the scissors and doing it. So this is the end of the second pack. I'm going to show you how the back looks. I am spacing them out quite a bit. Spacing them out about 2 finger widths wide just to make sure that I do have enough. If I do have extra at the end, I will go back in and fill it in. But right now I'm trying to make sure that I have enough to cover my entire head. And that's the end of the second pack. I'll come back once I'm done with the end of the third pack. Just finished the end of 3 packs. I really hope I like this style because I'm looking like a mop head right now. I'm going to turn around and show you the back. And I'll be back once I finish the 4th pack. So this is the end of the 4th pack. Starting to look a little bit better because it's getting a little bit fuller, not so many gaps. I'm going to show you what the back looks like. Be back after I install the 5th pack. So I'm back right now. This is the end of the 5th pack. I'm getting ready to start the 6th pack. I just thought I would come back on and I would film me actually installing the top. This is what it looks like. So it definitely did get full. And now I'm just going to install the rest of them on camera. I'm going to be able to style them any way that I want to because of the braid pattern. But I'm actually going to have my part mainly on this side because I want it to be like a bob. So in order to do that, I like to go underneath the braid. I feel like this side is missing some, or like the length of them. So I think I'm going to install like 1 or 2 right here. I feel like that looks a whole lot better. Ooh, I kind of like it. I've never had anything like this before, and I typically only do longer crochet, so this is definitely new for me, but I think I like it. So this is what I have 2 more to put on and I should be almost done. So this is the final look. I must say that I like it. It's a little bit out of my norm, but I do like it. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, please like it, comment, subscribe. Hope to see you in the next one.
Baby, it's the Locs for me. It's the Locs for me. Do you see them out there like in free?